Hi guys, I want to show you today this beautiful piece of guitar, which is a Fender Jazzmaster HH. HH because it's got a double humbucker, and as you may know, probably, you can switch from humbucker to single coil just pushing and pulling this tone. Okay, so I'm gonna, if you want to know how it sounds, I'm gonna do a very short sample. Okay, I'm gonna do now clean sound with bridge humbucker. Middle position. Neck position. Okay, I'll do the same with the single coil. Bridge position. Middle position. Neck position. Okay, now I'm gonna do the distorted sound. Okay, I'm gonna start with the humbucker on bridge position. Middle position. Neck position. Now the same but with the single coil. Bridge position. Middle position. Sorry, I'm playing the same thing, but just to have an idea instead of changing. Neck position. This guitar sounds great to me, to my ears at least, and looks good as well. The only thing I don't like is the bridge. It's the usual problem with the bridge of Jazzmaster and which is that, the other one, the Mustang, I don't know, there is another Fender with the same bridge. It's a little, I don't know, it's not very stable, and you have to use the screwdriver to fix it quite often, so the bridge is not really great. But apart from that, if you maybe buy another one, or if you have patience, that's fine. So this is a Fender Jazzmaster HH. Bye.